this is our new slime. While we're trying to make it, it's not coming out. Well, we just put toothpaste and food coloring. So now we're gonna go microwave it.
This is my cousin, the one that's really excited for it.
So, okay, Auntie, there's something that you need to know about. I don't like cupcakes. What do you like?
Right?
Ice cream, chocolate.
Make sure you put it in for 20
seconds, and then start.
it.
And then it's going round.
And then we just wait. It's just done. Now we're gonna put it in the freezer for 15
That
minutes.
hurt my eye. And why does it look like that? Go get me like something.
Okay, so she needs something because like it's dying hot. So what is it? So this is what
We're
it
gonna
looks.
let it cool.
This is what it looks like down, but that's why we put it in the freezer for.
No, we're gonna. Ow.
Open the freezer. Open the freezer.
No, we're gonna let it cool down.
No, open the freezer.
No, right there. It's gonna be let.
So now we're gonna let it cool down for a minute. Right, my hands up.
Okay. Now we're cooling it down for a minute. Oh.
So we're just. So now the timer's done. We're going to put it in the freezer now for 50 minutes.
I would if I were you.
I would. Open the freezer.
Okay. Go! No! Give me it! No!
Okay, so it's in the freezer, see?
And now we wait for 50 minutes. Yeah. Okay, guys. Okay. Oh, what? It's guys.
Now we're waiting for 50 minutes. This little girl is like pretty.
Not you. Me.
Little girl. Look at them. Look at the sisters. Wait.
Not wanting to set off a
No, and wait.
but as he looks
Just
around,
that way.
he sees that nails
Just that way. Here you go. Hey, Nadia, come here.
and that inside the house, nothing has moved.
Okay, these were pretty girls. Same outfit.
Alexis is now
We look
convinced
identical.
it's time to get help.
Yeah.
So, 15 minutes. Wait, no, it's still recording.
Is it a scary cell phone?
It's still.
People that witnessed it in
We have 15 minutes. 14 minutes.
Alarm bells.
Okay, well, we're gonna pause you guys. So we're gonna do a dance for you guys. She's gonna dance.
Here, let me pause it and I'm gonna do a song.
So she's on YouTube right now. She's gonna find a song.
Okay.
Okay. She's gonna do I'm the One.
This is what you do when you're waiting for your slap.
Okay. We're making the video now. But the slime's going down. I'm gonna show you the dance.
Okay.
When the girl by herself who she felt. Then she went up for the booty on that Gucci belt. In my bottle, she ain't got no cable. She doing bad. She ain't got no cable. We just watch a Netflix. She ain't got no cable. Okay, no. Plug. I will plug for ya.
Don't touch it. It's
No, send it.
cold. It's not that we have to wait 15 minutes.
Oh, and if we have time,
Let's see.
we will do another song.
Yeah.
Have 10 minutes.
My turn.
So we're gonna do another song as well.
Stand.
Okay. But she puts her hand down, then you go, okay? Now when she,
He don't say, he shows it. I'm just like Frozen, and I shoot it goes it. I'm Oprah. Oprah. I'm getting the post it.
I'm in my happy place posted. I ain't frowned since I was
Post it. And now it's over. It's just fine.
well, we're gonna check the time.
Yeah, girl.
Fridge.
Curly head and cutie, I can turn into a wife. Wait to meet you forever, but never mind.
I know. No, don't open that. That's a surprise. I got it! Okay, my iPod. Wait, hold on. My iPod Touch just fell. It went. It's awesome.
Okay.
There was like sea creatures twerking, and then this one guy got.
I like that.
Oh, guy, use that.
Nuts. Copy my move. Now we're gonna check the time first.
We have 4 minutes. Yeah, we have
4 minutes. So
Selena Alina's gonna be dancing to Despacito.
Sherry and Loretta get to Joey's house at about 9 o'clock that evening, where they meet with the actress. The Pennsylvania State Police eventually concluded the fire was caused by arson, setting 2 spots, the bathroom and the basement, and using diesel to gas as an example.
No, because we already started the video on this one. Guys, we're gonna check the time.
So bye.
What? 2 more minutes. We're not done yet. Hurry up.
If you're not.
Suavecito. Suavecito. It's weird when she watches you. And then you get all nervous. And then you start dancing all crazy.
Now my phone will die. Give me it.
Not yet. 6,
5,
5, 4, 2, 1. Stop. Okay. Wait. This is how the consistency came out. It came. Woo! It was a success. Okay. Bye, guys. Hope you like, subscribe, and share. Bye.